This is an old Lennox straight cool air conditioner at a commercial property. And I think the building has oil heat, but I'm not sure. That's all that's left of the emblem right there. And I could not find a serial number on this thing. And I think that is the same company that services that 1970s Lennox air conditioner I was filming earlier. Oh, 1992. March of 1992. This really is an oldie. And can't tell the nominal tonnage. And the line set doesn't seem to be getting cold at all. Like, it's cool, but it's not like freezing cold, and it's not sweaty either. There's the filter dryer. There's the disconnect box. 1992 Lennox air conditioner. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.